Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to start a Stihl chainsaw the easy way without flooding the engine and needing to pull a cord 20 times. Firstly, let's go through the master control lever and the 4 positions. The O or the 0 represents the stop position, and in this position the ignition is off and the engine won't run or will stop if running. The I is the run or able to start position. We then have the semi-choke or warm start position. Note when the throttle trigger is squeezed, this will move the lever from the warm start back to the run position. Also, you can only access this position by first going to the full choke or cold start position. Now use this position if the chainsaw is warm, example running for about a minute, or if the engine was flooded with fuel. Lastly is the full choke or cold start position. Again, the throttle trigger has to be squeezed to enable this position to be engaged. Now use this position for cold starts or if the fuel tank has been emptied and has since been refilled. When starting a chainsaw, first ensure the chain brake is on. Now with the cold engine, move the lever to the full choke or cold start position. Pull on the starter cord until the engine makes a burp sound. At this point, don't continue pulling on the starter cord as this will flood the engine with fuel. Next, move the lever to the warm start or semi-choke position. Pull on the starter cord until the chainsaw starts running. This may take a few attempts. Once the chainsaw starts running, the lever will automatically move into the run position. The chainsaw will then idle. Also, it is important that you don't increase the throttle while the chain brake is engaged, as this will damage the clutch and chain brake. So I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.